Student, today I'm going to show you how to make the queries. It is under chapter 13 of your unit 3 database management system of the supplementary book. So here is a table that has been created for it. Now in this table I'm going to do the query. How to do the query? First you will go to the create option. In the create option I'll show you two ways to design the query. One is with the wizard, one is with the design view. First with the wizard. So you will click on the wizard. As you click on the wizard, what are there? There are the different options are available like simple query, cross table query, find duplicate query wizard, find unmatched query wizard. So this will going to a simple wizard. Okay, simple query wizard. Okay, after you click on simple query wizard, you have to select the values. So what are the values you are selecting? Suppose roll number. See here the button to select. So select field, first roll number is selecting, then what, then the first name. If you want to select the first name, then first name comes, then select the first name. If you want to select the last name, then last name. I am selecting the last name. After the last name, then I am selecting their address. Okay, I am selecting their address. So there is the address, so I am selecting this address. Then after the address, what is there? Fee. So I am selecting the fee. So two thing I hasn't selected, class and percentage. As you wish you can select it. Okay, then go for the next option. So student query, open the query to view information, that will select it. So here open the query with view information, don't change this one. So you can create the query for navigation purpose also. After that, what you will do? Finish. If you do finish, see here the query is there. Okay, this is the query, this is the query table. So query table is there, this has been created. That means based on those particular field, the thing has been shown to you. So this is what, based on the wizard. So wizard query is one method. Another method, that where we can give the condition, that is query in design view. Suppose it has asked you that to show those students those who has paid the fees. Okay, those who has paid the fee. So what we will do, we will go to the design query option. Design query option, in the design query option, from the show table you have to select the table name. So our table name is student 1, add it. Okay, now you close this one. So what we want to see, suppose your question is show those table, show those persons who has paid the fees. So what we require, we suppose I want to see the roll number. So select the roll number, student dot one dot roll number, because we have many tables. So it has said given here the first table that we have selected, student dot roll number. First select the roll number. Then suppose I want to see the first name of the particular student. What is my criteria? Criteria is fee paid, isn't it? So select the fee paid here. Fee. Now what is the criteria? Equals to what, within a single inverted comma, double inverted comma. I am giving single inverted comma, paid. Close the single inverted comma. Okay. Now you close it. Close this query. Do you want to save? Yes. Okay. See, query 4 is there. Now if you click on it, see those the student who has paid the fees, I want to see only the roll number and name. Their roll number and name is displayed here. Okay, so when you have to do the query, first you have to select that particular table based on which you want to do the query. Clear? This is one way. Another way is that you will do the query based, you can give a multiple criteria also. Okay, multiple criteria. Suppose you want to see those the student who stayed in Delhi and whose class is 12. Suppose the question is there, find out the students, those who stayed in Delhi and they are reading in class 12. So how to do? Again, you will go to the create option. Under create option, you will go to the design view, create design view. Then you have to select the table like student 1, add. After adding it, then you close it. What I want to see, the students roll number. So first select the roll number from here. Okay, roll number from here. Next one, the student those who are studying